In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Call of Duty Warzone driver error. First thing you want to do is you want to open CMD. So type in CMD, right click and run as administrator. Here you're going to run some commands. So first command, DISM online cleanup image and restore health. Press enter. Second command, ipconfig/renew, press enter. Third command, ipconfig flush DNS. Then ipconfig/release, then ipconfig register DNS, then net winsock reset. The last command is net int ip reset. And once this command finishes loading, you can close this down. Next thing you want to do is you want to go to control panel. Over here, go to network and internet, network and sharing. Go to your internet properties. Down here, go to internet protocol version 4 properties. Use the following DNS. Type in 88888844. Press OK. Press OK and close this down. Now, if you're still having issues, then I recommend you, when you go and open your Call of Duty game, so here is Call of Duty, is to try to verify the files. So verify the integrity of the files. So I'm going to show you as an example for this game. You can do the exact for Call of Duty, the same steps. So you would right click on Call of Duty, click on properties, and then go to installed files. Then click on verify integrity of game files. This might take a while to finish because it's going to verify all folders. And once it's done, you can check if this fixes your error. If you're still having issues, however, then I recommend that you try to completely uninstall the game. So you can uninstall it by just right clicking on Call of Duty, go to manage, uninstall, and just reinstall it, and this should fix your issue.